I think Arnab, I will come in once others give me a chance to.
You have
That way you'll never get a chance. Go in on your own, Siddharth. I've taken your name. Siddharth and Rajat are on the debate, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I'll go in. Okay, fine, I'll go. Okay, fine, I'll go on my own. Arnab, I'd like to suggest a small tweak to the today's hashtag. Rather than tomato conspiracy, it should be tomato incompetency. Why? I'll tell you why. The BJP spokesperson was speaking eloquent just now about how the price rise of India has essentially come down. So he is essentially saying that Vikas has caught up now with tomato. That is good to hear. But the simple point is here that when he is speaking about the vagaries of weather, he is essentially saying like a class teacher does not have the liberty to say that what can I do? The kids in my class are not listening to me. He is supposed to, his simple job is to make sure that the class and the kids listen to him. And it is in a way,
should steer away from political
of the incompetency of Modi Sarkar. Now having said that, the solution to these kind of issues. We know whenever inflation happens,
let him complete.
Inflation happens.
Let him complete. The debate is on.
Arnab, I am coming to the serious part now. Everyone knows that when food price inflation happens, food prices are directly related to transportation. Today in India, the central government is taking 20% more of diesel tax than a state government. The central government today, out of the 90 odd rupees diesel that is being charged, 16 rupees is going.
The problem is that you need to look at economics away from your political rhetoric.
So a constructive suggestion from Aam Aadmi Party is, can the BJP government reduce its diesel tax to around 20% till the time that the tomato crisis is over? Point number two, the other way around. I'll give you another example. BJP today prides itself in bringing in laws and tightening screws of everything and everyone. So just like they bring in an ordinance and make the Delhi government subservient, why doesn't the BJP bring in an ordinance to say that tomato cannot be charged at more than 15 rupees a kilo? For 15 days the BJP can bring an ordinance. The point here is that the BJP, after BJP, there is a saying, जब BJP आती है, महंगाई को बढ़ाती है. The crony capitalism of BJP, that this is a naked display of crony capitalism of BJP. Right now, right now, the simple reason why the food prices are going up.
No, 1 minute. At the same time,